Good day everyone. Today we will present about safety precautions in the laboratory.
Laboratory safety is essential to prevent accidents, protect equipment, and ensure all practical activities are conducted safely and effectively.
First, students must wear proper personal protective equipment or PPE before entering the laboratory.
This includes a lab coat, safety shoes, and safety goggles to protect against electrical, chemical, and mechanical hazards.
Long hair should be tied properly or loose. Accessories must be avoided.
Before starting any experiment, students must read and understand the laboratory manual and experiment procedure.
Always follow instructions given by lecturers or lab technicians and never operate equipment without authorization. In electrical and electronic laboratories, safety procedures are extremely important.
Ensure the power supply is switched off before assembling or modifying any circuit.
Check cables, socket, and equipment conditions to prevent short circuits or electric shock.
Never handle electrical equipment with wet hands.
Use all instruments such as multimeters, oscilloscope, and power supplies according to standard operating procedures.
Avoid misuse of equipment as it may cause damage or inaccurate measurement results.
After completing the experiment, return all equipment to its designated places. Students must know the location of emergency equipment such as fire extinguishers, emergency exits, and first aid kits.
Any accident or injury or equipment malfunction must be reported immediately to the lecturer or laboratory assistant.
In conclusion, following laboratory safety precautions ensures a safety, efficient, and professional learning environment.
Safety awareness reflects good engineering practice and responsible student behavior. Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Imagine if we connect a transistor wrongly in a circuit, the whole circuit might fail. So today, we will show you how to correctly identify transistor terminals and its type.
Yes, in this video we will focus on two main parts. First, identifying terminals based on physical structure, and second, using an analog multimeter.
A transistor is a semiconductor device with three terminals: emitter, base, and collector.
Now look at the transistor. It has a flat side. When we face the flat side toward us, the pin arrangement is usually emitter, base, collector from left to right.
However, this is not always 100% accurate because different models may have different turn. So, we must confirm using datasheet or testing method.
This method is fast, but for accuracy we move to the second technique.
Now, we use an analog multimeter in resistant mode.
Step 1. Set the multimeter to ohm range.
Step 2. Test each pair of terminals. We are looking for a terminal that connects to both other terminals.
That terminal is the base because transistor acts like two diodes connected at the base.
Next, we determine whether the transistor is NPN or PNP.
If the positive probe is placed on the base and the meter shows deflection, then it is an NPN transistor.
But if the deflection occurs when the negative probe, light, is on the base, then it is a PNP transistor.
This happens because current flow direction is different for NPN and PNP transistor. So by observing the multimeter response, we can accurately identify both the terminal and the type of transistor.
In conclusion, there are two main techniques to identify terminal transistor: physical observation and multimeter testing. Using the correct method is very important to avoid wrong connection and ensure the circuit works properly. Thank you for watching.